Okay, hey meltheads. We're currently out about in the middle of nowhere. There is a farm up there with some horses and stuff, but it's in the middle of nowhere. No service here, so I can't do a live stream. But I'm gonna do a video instead and just upload it. Because, you know, that's the options we have. So it's not too interesting, but the structure starts over there and comes this way. And there is also one under here. I can zoom in for you so you can better see. You see it's under there, and then of course goes along here. The structure is just a wall. It's kind of different because it has all of these holes. It goes down. I think it might have been support poles of some kind for the wall above coming up. Whether it was wood, metal, concrete, I don't know, but it's not there anymore. You can see it's all split and cracked a little bit. You also have these metal rods coming up, and you can see the trees have been pushing from either side here, making it a little wavy, and it also cracked. There is a better example. I'm gonna go up here too and show you, because there is some cool shit here. We also have this thing full of metal pipes. I'm gonna show all of this stuff for you. You can use your own mind and try to figure out what it is, because I have no idea. All these pipes cracked, split. Like that. And then, yeah, over here is some big trees growing right on the structure. So the structure is right under here. Big tree here, and then over there you can see this tree here made it crack and stuff. So whoever can date the trees, please let me know how old that tree is. It's kind of big. I have no idea. But anyways, we're gonna do more structure. The main structure is over there. I haven't seen all of it, so it's gonna be first time for me. We just came from here, and we're going this way now. Just wanted to show you this weird pipe stuff over there. You can see all the holes pretty much all the way. We got the dogs with us today as well. They like doing boots on the ground. Got Lindsay over here somewhere taking photos and exploring. So here's more structure, all cracked, falling over. You see metal rods sticking up here as well with the holes. And then on this side you have this metal rod bent like this, and then bent 90 degrees at the edge here, and then it just stops. Hello doggos, hello. Yeah, I'm coming over. Just doing some. You found a brick? A fuck ton. I'll come over. Okay, she found a fuck ton of brick. We're gonna go there too. So here's the weird stuff, the structure. You got metal rods coming out. We've seen those many times before. You got one here. Hold on, let it focus. One here. Again? A dense one, yes. I'm coming soon, okay? Yeah, I have to go over there soon. She was the one suggesting making a video, so I'm gonna do that. So here's the nut. Not all the way at the edge. Then you have this one, or at the end of this rod. Then you have this one, like there. But then it's the weird shit, because you have this one. Here the nut is pretty much at the top. Hold on, let it focus here. Pretty much at the top. But then you have this washer down here. It's actually loose on this one. Okay, so the washer is loose on this one. That's cool. Usually you don't see that. So some have nuts on them, some don't. There's another one. So yeah, and then 1 second, sorry. So you can see structure here, and also supposed clips in the back. I'm gonna check it out. But here you have this cylinder thing full of metal bars, bent in all kinds of directions, some long, some short. One coming out here. And this whole cylinder structure is just gone pretty much. And now comes some weird stuff here. So you have a metal rod coming there, and then you have these coming out, bent, and this one is threaded, as you can see here. Can you focus on it? There you go. And then look here, this one threaded in here. I mean, how can you possibly even screw anything on here? Can't even. So you got metal in here, and then this one looks electrified in here, also threaded. So this is not rebar. In my opinion, it's something else, whatever it is. And then you have them here as well, also bent downwards. It's heavily eaten up right there. Threaded, and then some coming up here too. And then in the structure here there is a pipe, I think, coming up right there, center screen. And you also have that weird, hold on, sorry for the wonky recording. Yeah, this weird metal thing coming out. And at the top here, got more stuff. Alright, okay, I'll go over there now and see if we can find the brick. I'm coming now, my love. Yeah? Cool. Okay, so she found some brick. Oh, I also see the brick. Here is a stamped one. DE. Whatever that is. Don't recognize it.
That burnt thing, that's a brick.
Oh, wow.
And there's bricks in there.
Ah, okay, I see. Wow. Okay, guys, look at this. Look what she found. You can see, of course, brick in this mangled ass supposed concrete thing with a bent metal rod on top with threads in it. Look here. It's also bent with threads. And then you don't pour concrete like this, guys. You get, wow, brittle charcoal, fucking charred brick stuffed in here. It just crumbles, falls apart. Interesting. Oh, this is mangled here. And then another one right there. In here. Look here, guys. Do you pour concrete like this? It's all cooked out. Focus, there you go. There is a little piece of metal there. Tiny metal rod. There's 2 brick in here. You can see the angle of this whole thing. It's just a mess here. Damn. Oh, there's also something on top here. And of course you have bricks scattered all around. Some of them are red, some of them are more yellow, some stamped, some not. Here's the other side of that fried, cooked out wall. Can't see any bricks on this side. I just know you don't fucking pour concrete like that. Another bent metal rod, threaded. And here's cliff, supposed cliff, compressed, melted red brick there. Very flat and straight on there and up here. Big damage. Okay. Hey, doggo. Oh, here's some.
This one's interesting because it's a stamped brick, but it really looks like stone. Like,
Oh, yeah, is this like a thin layer of mortar, or is it? Oh my god.
yeah.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, look at this.
It's like crystallized and shit.
It's also a stamped brick, and I'll put it down.
Oh, look at this. No, okay. Oh, the
There. Yeah, 1 second. There is also this chunk of structure here, which also has a brick in it under the moss. You can see a brick. Okay, coming over here. And then there is all kinds of different brick with rocks and mortar and whatever the hell it is. Yeah, Frankie. And then more metal rods coming out here. Chunk of bricks stuck together. Big pipe. Threaded. The sun is coming out! Look here, guys, it was super cold and snowing and shit, but now it's just getting nice. Here you got a elbow bend on it. Don't know where it came from. And here is this melt. And then this whole supposed hill is just full of structure scattered. Looks like a bomb went off. And here is more structure. Walking on bricks right now. So you got this right there. And here, bent 90-degree, threaded. This one bent downwards, threaded as well, which means something was attached and screwed into it. That was the original purpose of it. And here's the ruins. On top, of course, threaded metal rods sticking up. Over there is that circle. More structure here. A little bit flooded. There is something metal stuff, whatever it's called. I'm gonna go down there. Sorry for the wonky filming back and forth. That's okay. That's what happens sometimes. Here is a row of pipes. This one got hit by something. It's split and bent. Really thick in the walls here. This one also took a beating. There's another one. And yeah, floor here is collapsed down, flooded. And then these brackets, that's what it's called. Just couldn't find a word. You also have this metal 90-degree L, whatever it's called, L bar, maybe. One on this side too. So yeah, the whole place is pretty ruined. Turned to supposed mountain, scattered brick pieces. There's a huge cliff, supposed cliff back there. Might go up there and do some photographing and video. I'll see. But yeah, that's all for this video at least. I'll take tons of photos, of course, and see you next time, okay? Brick love and thanks for watching.